Less than a month ago, we started the free backlog series at SciAstra. Thousands of you joined and gave us amazing feedback. Now that you have finished your backlog, regained your confidence, and now full of energy and excited to restart your preparation journey towards your dream research institutes like IISc, IITs, IISER, and NISER. But let me ask you this question. Is that really your dream? Is that what you think about when you sit to study? If that is the case, then what stops you? What stops thousands of students from getting their dream research colleges? Number one, you think that JEE and NEET preparation is sufficient for IIT and NISER, which is of course not the case. We have discussed about it. Number two, you think this is too late to restart your preparation journey. But let me tell you an incident. Last year, Sayan started his preparation with SciAstra at the end of September month. You want to know what kind of results he achieved? He got All India rank 5 in the IISc UPSC entrance examination. He got All India rank of 1580 in the JEE Advanced. He got an All India rank of 207 in NEET, All India rank of 213 in IISER aptitude test, and not just this, he even got All India rank 23 in the ISI examination and AIR 220 in NES. How amazing is that? You want to know what's the difference between him and you who are watching this video? So it's the right attitude, right mindset, and the right mentorship. So every other student who has enrolled in the backlog series or not, this is your chance to leave the training ground and come into the battleground directly, because SciAstra has launched the biggest ever sale, meaning that all the courses are on lowest ever prices. In fact, lower than the launch prices itself. And if you have already dreamt of pursuing your scientific careers from the elite institutes of the country, this is your chance, because we at SciAstra are with you. SciAstra is a community of more than 5 lakh active members with mentors in top universities across the world, from Ivy Leagues, Harvards, Max Planck, IITs, IISc, NISER, so on. And this year, more than 25% of IISerites are from SciAstra, more than 50% of NISErites are from SciAstra, and more than 25 people get into IISc Bangalore this year itself. So the time is less and the months remaining are very crucial, and you can definitely make it with the right guidance, resources, and precise implementation of all this. And that is why I would recommend you our 3.0 batches. So of course, you get guidance from top mentors of elite institutes of country, which I have already mentioned. Complete syllabus of 11th and 12th will be done, and all 4 subjects, physics, chemistry, maths, and bio. You have live classes from Monday to Saturday. Lecture notes, of course, will be given. TPPs and chapter-wise PYQs will be provided for all the subjects for IIT and NEST level questions. Live classes, recordings will also be given. Regular IIT and NEST mock tests will also be done in computer-based test mode, where you can evaluate your performance with thousands of other aspirants appearing in the mock test alongside you. Free IIT and NEST rescue codes will be given. Now, if this is sufficient for you, if you think this should suffice, then Kalam 1.0 is what you can check out. And if you need special guidance, then let's see what's in the store. So you have special guidance for non-maths and non-bio students. This is one of the most prominent reasons for the failure of 90% of students who are from PCM or PCB backgrounds, as IIT makes it mandatory to attempt all 4 subjects, right? Private doubt solving groups will be there. Bi-weekly interaction session with IISerites. So students already from these institutes cleared these examinations will be interacting with you, and you have the chance to ask them questions. So free All India test series will be given. This alone is worth thousands of rupees. Okay, and free All India NEST test series will also be given. So these 2 alone will cost you thousands of rupees if you purchase separately. Stress buster sessions will be given. Toppers shout-outs are done on SciAstra community. If you perform really well in the mock tests, in the courses, classes, then you will be recognized by all the students. Free IIT and NEST complete crash course will be given. So this also will cost you around 6,000 to 8,000 rupees if you purchase separately. Now, if you think that these features are going to play a role in your selection, then you can check out Kalam 2.0, which has exactly these many features. And now, what's in Kalam 3.0? You might be thinking. Let's see what's here for you. You have personal attention from IISc, IISER, NISER, IIT, and other top colleges mentors. You have SciAstra Gold, access to previous year's full recordings of lectures and other PCMB materials. You have procrastination solution in the form of personalized to-do list, That's what I told you. You have strategy and accountability meetings with your personal mentor. You have daily homework and focus on weakness. Okay, so let's say you are a PCM student, you're weak in biology and you need special emphasis. You need somebody to help you, to ask you on a daily basis, just to check in on you. How are you doing? Are you feeling well? Are you excited? Are you feeling down? Are you not happy with your preparation? How amazing is that? So that's why I failed, exams after class 12, because I did not have someone to tell me what to focus on, what mistakes to avoid. Now you are getting all these things in Kalam 3.0 in the form of personal mentorship, right? You have daily homework and focus. Personalized mock discussions will also be done. Mentorship WhatsApp group. Okay, so Kalam 1 and 2 are operated on Telegram group. Kalam 3 is operated on WhatsApp group. So you have contacts, you talk to your personal mentors every single day, right? And best of the best, you get home delivery of all 8 SciAstra books, PCMB 11th and 12th. So 8 books for IIT NEST, which also cover JEE and NEET preparation. How amazing, guys. This set of books alone cost you 4,000 rupees, okay, if you buy separately. So as you can see, just materials worth of thousands of rupees is given to you for absolutely free in Kalam 3.0. Now, what's more here is you have bi-weekly PTM. So PTM is parents teacher meeting. Yes, we do have PTMs and they are very interactive and helpful. We have priority doubt solving support from mentors within 20 minutes on WhatsApp groups. You have SciAstra goodies, so you get SciAstra t-shirt, actually like t-shirt like this along with the books when you are in Kalam 3.0. You have free JEE mains test series. The reason why I keep saying that this is sufficient for JEE and NEET preparation is this. The lectures materials are sufficient. If you want to practice, play in the battleground, you can check out JEE and NEET test series. This alone will cost you thousands of rupees if you buy separately. You have special JEE NEET war room sessions with your mentors, with SciAstra mentors and with us. You have free IIT and NEST personalized crash course. Guys, this personalized crash course cost you 8 to 10,000 rupees, okay, in the months of March. And this is given to you for absolutely free. These so many free resources, I can't even believe. And research level study materials will be given to you. Okay, if you think that these are the things that are going to help you, taking admission to your dream research colleges, let me know in the comments. Drop your fires, drop heart emojis and show me some excitement. Now, let's discuss what you all have been waiting for, the prices of the batches. So you can see that Kalam 1.0, the very basic one where you have all the lectures, notes, recordings, DPPs, doubt sessions, you have at 4,999. So it was launched at 6,000 and you are getting at a 16% discount at now 4,999. So that is the lowest ever price of Kalam 1.0. Now let's check the specialized one, that is the Kalam 2.0. Can you guess the price? You might have already seen this. You have 6,999 for Kalam 2.0. It was launched at 10,000. You are getting 30% discount, right? So that is the maximum discount ever, where you will be getting weekly interaction sessions with the IISerites, shoutouts, free IIT and NEST crash course worth rupees 5,000 and other specialized guidance. Now, the most awaited one, the personalized one, 3.0. So that you can get at 27,999, where it was launched at a price of 35,000. So it hooping discount of 20% on Kalam 3.0, where you will be getting Kalam 0.0, everything from it, plus everything from Kalam 2.0, and these additional 16 features, right? This is going to be amazing because this is the personalized one, right? You'll be getting personal attention as we have already discussed so far. Now, this was about Kalam 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, if you're in class 11th, you can check out Homi 1, 2, 3. If you're in class 12th, you can check out Vikram 1, 2, 3. Of course, for English medium. So Kalam is taught in English. Okay, so it's an English only batch. For English, you can check out Raman for droppers 1, 2, 3. Raman 1.2, 2.0 and 3.0. Right? The basic features in 3.0 are all same throughout batches. Okay, so Homi 3, Kalam 3, Vikram 3, Raman 3 are all pretty much same. Some syllabus and class differences are there, but 1.2 are all same, 2.2 and 3.0. Now, a link to all the batches are given in the description, right? You can definitely visit SciAstra website. All these are listed there. You can directly check out the features. If you have any questions, you can directly call the SciAstra support team, the number to which is given in the pinned comment, and you can also download the application. If you have still any question, you can also ask me in the comments. I'll reply to each and every comment personally. But we definitely believe you are going to take benefit of all these batches and the resources and strategy and guidance given to you. With that, see you in your dream research institutes. Bye bye, all the best.